Okay, on the next page, I have a lot more properties written down, properties that you should have learned in Algebra 2. If you didn't, then you need to study these properties. Logarithms with base 10 are called common logarithms, and they are base 10 because that is what our number system is, base 10. So if we have log of x, if and only if 10y is equal to x, the base, and now I explained this in class, if I have x plus 3 equals 0, I don't have to write that that's to the first power. That is assumed. That is assumed that it's to the first power. If I have the square root of 4, I don't have to write, let's do that in a different color, I don't have to write that 2 because I know that that's a square root and there would be a 2 there. I know that that's a 1 there, so I don't have to write the 1 or the 2. The same thing with a log. If I have log of x, there is no base written there, then I automatically know that that is base 10. All right, when there is an absence of a base, it is base 10. Okay? So you need to know all these properties of common logarithms. Here are some examples of common logarithms. So we need to know all of those. Now, solving simple logarithmic equations. Solve each equation by changing it to an exponential form. Well, here we don't have a base, so we know it's base 10. So if you wanted to write that in, you could. So we start with the base, come to the outside of the equal, and come back to the whatever's left over. So 10 to the third is 1,000, so that is what equals to x. X equals 1,000. Okay, if we're going to solve this one, we're going to say the same thing. We're going to start with the base. So this will be 2, come to the outside to the fifth, come back and pick up the x. So 2 to the fifth is 32, so 32 equals x.